Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make a 4 plaid beaded bracelet. First you are going to cut 4 pieces of string at about arm's length and you'll be connecting it to a jump ring, making one big knot. I'll be using a teal color and I'm using small beads, Miyuki beads. Now instead of putting the beads directly onto the string, I'll be using a needle to make it a smoother process. Once all the beads have been on the string for the first string, take the needle and weave it back through the last bead so then the beads are secure and won't fall off while you're working on the other 3 strings. And now repeat the same thing you did for the first string with the 3 other strings. For this string is going to be white. For the next one I am using purple and finally a rose gold color. And remember for the remaining 3 strings to weave in with the needle through the last bead so then the bead is secure and braiding part for the bracelet. You're gonna take the teal strand, put it over the white one, under the purple and over the rose gold. Next is white. You will put it over, under, over. And repeat this process until you've reached the bottom with the pattern over, under, over. To finish up the bracelet, you're gonna take a clasp and tie the 4 strings through the clasp and make one nice big knot. Then you're gonna take a closer clasp and put it on one of the knots and put glue in between it, the adhesive glue, and seal it shut with the pliers. And you're gonna repeat the same thing for the other side. Once that is done, you can add a bit extra glue on top of the closed clasps so then it is more secure and will not fall off. And now you can leave it to dry. Once it is fully dried, you can cut off the excessive string and that is pretty much it, your brand new elegant bracelet. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and fun videos.